Hello everyone. Today we shall discuss exercise 2.2 question number 2. The perimeter of a rectangular swimming pool is 154 meter. Its length is 2 meter more than twice its breadth. What are the length and breadth of the pool? Suppose this is the rectangle, right? This is the rectangular swimming pool, right? And the perimeter is 154 meter. Let the breadth be b, right? Therefore, according to the question, the length will be 2 meter more than twice its breadth. That is, the length will be 2b plus 2. This is the length, right? Now, the solution will be like this. Let the breadth let the breadth let the breadth be b. Therefore, the length therefore the length therefore the length will be therefore the length will be, according to the question, 2b plus b 2b plus b. Perimeter of a rectangle, we know that perimeter of a rectangle perimeter of a rectangle perimeter of a rectangle is equal to 2 into length plus breadth length plus breadth length plus breadth. According to the question according to the question according to the question according to the question perimeter is given 154 meter. Perimeter is given as 154 meter. According to the 2 into length is 2b plus b 2b plus b, and breadth is b right, 2b plus b, and length is b plus b. Length is 2b plus 2, not b, but it is 2b plus 2. It is 2b plus 2. Here you see that the length is 2b plus 2. 2b plus 2 and breadth is b. Therefore, this is length plus breadth is equal to, perimeter is given as 154 meter. 154. Right? Now divide this both sides by 2. Dividing both sides by 2, we get dividing both sides by 2 we get dividing both sides by 2 we get divide this one, that is 2b plus b is 3b plus 2 is equal to 154 divided by 2. If we divide this one, 2 7 is 14, again 2 7 is 14, that is we are getting 77. Now transposing 2 to RHS, 2 to RHS, we get Now to the right hand side, that is 2b, 3b is equal to 77 minus 2, or you get 3b is equal to 77 minus 2, that comes to 75, Now dividing both sides by 3, dividing both sides, dividing both sides by 3, dividing both sides by 3 we get, b is equal to 75 by 3, that we are getting 3 2 is 6, 3 5 is 15, 25. Then here we get the breadth is equal to 25 meter, right? Therefore this is the length, right? Therefore here breadth of the pool, breadth of the pool, breadth of the pool is equal to 25 meter, 25 meter, and length of the pool, length of the pool is equal to 2b plus 2, 2b plus 2, that is equal to 2. Breadth is 25 plus 2, that is 25 into 2 is 50 plus 2, and that comes to 52 meter, 52 meter, right? Here you see the breadth is 25 meter and the length of the pool is 52 meter, right? Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.